Cool Beans family, Miss Marissa here and
Wolfie!
And today we are going to show you how to build your very own racing game. Right, Wolfie?
Right.
For today's video, you'll need
marker, straw, scissors,
and
paper.
to get started, we're going to determine how many caterpillars we'd like to make. Wolf, how many caterpillars do you think we should make?
2.
2? One for who?
What's her mommy? What's her Wolfie?
Sounds good. I already drew out a line for Wolf, about 1 inch or so thick. Let's get those fine motor skills working. Let's cut on this straight line. Can you do it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Hold the scissors the right way. Let me see you open, close, open, close, open, close. Good job. So we're gonna hold our paper with this hand so we can wait, so we can go steady. And we're gonna cut with this hand. Close, open. Look at you staying on the line. Good job. Uh-oh, get back to the line. You're kind of coming off. Now that we have our strips, follow along with me as we fold these strips to reveal our cool racing caterpillar. First thing that we're going to do is fold them in half, like this. Next, unfold, and we're going to fold each half in half again. Now this side. Once more, we're going to fold each half in half again. And fold them together. Should look like this. Now we're going to cut the corners off of this rectangle shape we have. Just to round them out. Now you can unfold. And you have caterpillars. All right, Wolf, on your mark, get set, go!